Good morning. How are you today?
Good morning. I'm doing great, thank you.
It's a beautiful morning, isn't it?
Yes, the weather is absolutely wonderful.
Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, I had a very peaceful sleep.
What brings you to the park so early?
I love taking a morning walk.
Do you come here every day?
Yes, it's part of my daily routine.
Have you already had breakfast?
Not yet. I'll eat after my walk.
The flowers look beautiful today.
They really make the park look colorful.
Are you enjoying the fresh air?
Yes, it feels so refreshing.
Would you like to walk together?
Sure, I'd love to join you.
Did you see the sunrise this morning?
Yes, it was absolutely stunning.
There are many people exercising today.
Yes, everyone seems very energetic.
Do you like jogging in the morning?
Yes, it helps me stay healthy.
What time did you wake up today?
I woke up at 6 o'clock.
Are you going to work after this?
Yes, I have to leave by 9.
Do you often feed the birds here?
Sometimes I bring a little bird food.
Look at those ducks by the pond.
They're so cute and peaceful.
Would you like a cup of coffee later?
That sounds like a great idea.
Do you have any plans for today?
Just work and a few errands.
It's always nice to start the day here.
I completely agree with you.
Have a wonderful day ahead.
Thank you. You have a wonderful day too.